have is of this beauty 2002 Chevy. As you guys can see, tan leather interior. The seats aren't in the best shape. They're a little ripped, you know, right here and right here. But eso lo de menos, guys. Clean door panels, I liked it. Cracked dash like always. Right there, you guys can see. Yeah, center console is on point, looks badass. Got the captain chairs. It's got a system, well, a stereo, but not no system. I think these speakers are blown, or I don't think they're even in there. But it is a crew cab or extended cab, not a crew cab. Open this up. 3 extra spaces in the back. And another thing that is really cool and why I really got this truck is because it is 4x4, 2-wheel drive and 4x4. So that's really why I got it. It's a nice looking truck. Got some badass 35s, 35x12s, some race lines. Got the little sticker for race line right there. Z71 package, has a hitch. Oh, you don't want to see that. Has these ugly stickers right here, but got little ugliness here and there. Got these new tail lights in the back. Z71 again, the badass tires. It's tinted out. Got the already upgraded back tail light or third brake light. Got these mirrors that look like can't break them yet, but we'll be able to break them soon. They're all nasty, peeled, and whatever. So yeah, guys, this is a new project. The new project after project. But yeah, I'm gonna hopefully be doing the 4x4. That's what it says right there. I'm gonna hopefully soon be doing the HD conversion on this, so you guys stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be ordering a couple parts. Oh, that didn't close. Want to get mirrors, some tow mirrors for sure. The 2500, like I said, the 25. To see, this is already coming off. I think it's broken. Oh, we got a truck coming. Yeah, but a 2500 HD front conversion right there. We're gonna get some and color matched as well, and then we're gonna do I think bed liner back here. We'll see if we have a toolbox back here, just in case or whatever. Oh, and I also wanted to do the rear bumper conversion because this one looks ugly. I don't like this one at all. Like I did mention already, it has the new upgraded tail lights. They're pretty clean. They're LEDs. Watch, so you guys can see real quick. Let me open the door. Get the key because I just got it a couple days ago. All right, let's see if they turn on. Yeah, there you go. Look at that, guys. These are sick. Look at these red tail lights. Got the LED lights for the license plate. And then let me show you guys the third brake light. I'm gonna see if I can turn on the cargo lights. I think that's what it was. No, cargo lamp, I think. Yeah, there you go, guys. Look at that. You guys really can't see it, but it's a LED third brake light. Pretty clean truck. And big shout outs to Dick Vatos. He's the one that actually got me the truck. Well, that's why I actually bought it from. Nice 4x4, just for the meantime, just for now, because hopefully sooner, guys, I'll get something better, bigger and better. Look at those LEDs, smoked headlights. They look pretty sick. But yeah, let me know what you guys think on this. It has a couple upgrades already, but I'm gonna be doing more, like I said. Here's the passenger side for you guys. Clean. Got the LEDs inside as well. Got an LED light down there too. Here, let me open this one. We got the back row for things, I don't know, for more people to sit back here or something. But yeah, it's a pretty big truck. It's cool. I liked it. That's why I bought it, obviously. But yeah, if you guys do like it, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys will. And hopefully by the end of this month or next month, I'll have all the parts, and I'll do little upgrades little by little. But yeah, once again, this is the 2002 Tow Pig for now. I kind of like it now, little by little. We're gonna build it to how we want it. And again, big shout outs to Thick Vato. He's the one that actually sold me this truck. And yeah, do a little, I'm at a car wash right now, so you guys can't tell, but I'm gonna do a little I'm gonna wash it, get it all cleaned up, and do a little montage on it.